guys, I mean, what do I say? I am a failure as a teacher YouTuber. I mean, I made a promise 3 days ago. 3 days ago. Might have been less than that. And I said, I'm gonna upload a video every single day of school. Doesn't matter how tired I am. It doesn't matter about anything. For each day that I go to school to work, I'm gonna upload a video. And 2 days later, I miss an upload. And then I miss another one. Like, what the heck am I doing? I might as well quit. But I'm not gonna do that because I know I missed those 2 days. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep going, and I'm going to at least make sure that I upload a vlog for those days that I did go. I do not care if it's late. Okay? And I hope you don't care that it's late either. All 79 subscribers of you. I appreciate you, by the way. So again, I'm sorry for being a failure and breaking my promise, but I'm not going to break my promise in this sense that I'm still going to upload a video for every single day that I go to work. It might not be on that day. I'm going to try to make sure that it is on that day, but I'm saying that I might slip up a few more times. But I'm going to learn. Okay? And I'm going to make sure that I do my best to upload a video every single day I go to work. Okay, now let's get into the vlog for today. Alright, so the title for my bulletin board is Inspire with Your Words. So basically what I want to happen is every time someone at my school sees someone doing something that's nice or positive, I want them to write it on the paper that I provide and then tack it to my board so that, you know, we just create a whole board by the end of the year that is just positive and good to look at. Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. This is the time I usually wake up when school starts back again, and the reason is because I go to the gym. So usually, you know, I drink my coffee and then, you know, I just go to the gym for an hour and then I come back and then I get ready. Alright, real quick, apologize for not posting a vlog, but it was almost impossible for me to do so. Listen, I got back at 8 o'clock. I had like an hour, and then after an hour I was just dead. Again, but I'm still gonna post a vlog today. I'm still gonna post as many vlogs as possible. I'm still gonna post a vlog for every day that I'm teaching. It just might not be on that specific day. Okay, and it's gonna be a lot, I know it sounds crazy, but it's gonna be a lot easier when you know, I actually have students in my classroom. Cause the main biggest problem I have right now is that it's just difficult to vlog. Cause you know, you got meetings, you gotta get your classroom ready for open house, and you know, it's just hard to get your camera out and rush through things when, you know, you barely have time for yourself. Okay, so again, I'll get it out. Okay, I'm about to finish up my coffee and then go to the gym, and I will catch you guys later. Alright guys, we're back in here. What is it today? Let me see. It's Friday, and basically what's going on today is I have all the 7th and 8th grade teachers, since we're getting Chromebooks. Again, last year 9th to 12th grade got their Chromebooks, so they already had their training on Chromebooks. So this year 7th and 8th are getting their Chromebooks. So we have to go to this training from 8 o'clock all the way up to 3. So that's gonna be exhausting, and it's basically just gonna teach you how to use Google Classroom, how to use Kahoot, and you know, all a bunch of just how to use your Google Chromebook in the classroom. Again, sorry for the lack of vlogs. vlog footage. I mean, it's just so difficult to vlog when, you know, you just have stuff going on and you don't have much time. But I'll get to it, trust me. Okay, and it's gonna be amazing. Classroom tour, I will film that before I leave, and it will be up on Saturday. So again, you're gonna watch this vlog on Friday, and on Saturday you're gonna see my classroom tour. Okay, get excited for that.
I saw the video.
You did.
His Patrick came and showed it to me. Did you get the scholarship?
I thought it's probably look at it and put that song.
Did you edit it, or is that what
I
you said?
edited
It's pretty hectic, you know, they do a lot of great things.
Get someone to do it, I'll come fine.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, and last thing, hopefully you enjoyed that vlog. Again, this is what guys, I need you. If you watch my video, okay, if you clicked on the video, I need you to subscribe. You don't understand, it's like motivation for me. I need something to work towards, okay? And when I see the subscriber count staying the same day in and day out, I mean, it is exhausting and it is depressing, right? Because I'm putting work into this and I'm looking for this channel to grow. I'm looking to influence people positively. But I can't do that if people do not subscribe to my channel. You need to help me grow this channel. And I believe we can make this something great. But I need your help. Again, share this video with your friends, family, neighbors, aunts, cats, dogs, every single one or any single being that you know. I need you. I don't want you. I need you. Actually, I want you too. Okay? But again, hopefully you enjoyed this. Tomorrow is my classroom reveal. Ooh, it's gonna be exciting. Gonna take you on a walk around my classroom. That's gonna be exciting. You get to see every single thing in my room. And you know, that's about it. Again, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all 79 people that are subscribed to my channel right now. I hope all 79 of you leave a comment right down here, right below this video, so that I can read it, so that I can have some motivation when I post my next video. Okay? Again, thank you so much for just being you. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.